list of the world's most secluded stays.
Yes. So
Ultra private luxury retreats celebrated in their peace, nature.
Could you stop reading?
Cultural authenticity.
Yeah. Okay. So basically what we're going to cover, because she's obviously drunk off of the wine and it's not good for the segment, we're going to cover the 5 most secluded places in the world, luxury secluded places in the world as per Travel and Leisure. So the first one that we have coming on here is Six Senses Zighy Bay in Oman's Norway of Arabia. So it's the Norway of Arabia, nestled in the Musabadam Peninsula's rugged wilderness, accessible via a dramatic 4x4 drive over Mars-like mountains, passes through from Dubai. That's freaking amazing.
That's really cool.
Yeah, so it features a mile-long sandy beach, freshwater swimming pool, and region's only 100-foot saltwater pool. Ladies and gentlemen, 100 feet of saltwater pool. Adventurous guests can paraglide down from the mountaintop. So that's just by that description alone, the Six Senses Zighy Bay is like, I think, crawling up my bucket list.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm down with that 4x4.
This is pretty cool. This is called the Brandos, French Polynesia. It is a private sanctuary with 12 islets surrounded by vibrant coral reefs. It's reachable by serene 20-minute flights from International Airport. And it's born from Marlon Brando's vision of preserving nature and culture. Guests can enjoy nature walks, diving, sailing, kayaking, traditional Polynesian crafts, basket weaving, ukulele playing.
Oh my God.
Ukulele.
So right here, my wife loves the ukulele, so we're definitely doing the Brando. And I love basket weaving. It's something that I never confessed to you.
You love Marlon Brando.
And I love Marlon Brando. So if I love Marlon Brando and I love basket weaving and you love the ukulele, I think we're going to hit the Brando. So, but before we do that, babe, okay, and we are going to Japan soon next year.
You want to go?
Yes. So Hoshinoni wa Takitomi Island in Okinawa, Japan, home of...
That's a tiny coral island.
Yeah, but this is the home of Mr. Miyagi.
Is it really?
Yeah, Okinawa.
Is this one of the blue towns? Blue city. We should talk about that.
This is Japan.
Sorry. Yes.
Japan.
I think it's one of the blue.
Okay. You mean like where people live 100 years? Yeah, it's Okinawa. The blue zones, not blue towns. Blue zones. Okay, so it's set in a tiny coral island in Yayamama archipelago, home to just 3 villages and around 350 residents. So you want to talk about isolated? You're going to be with 350 Okinawans.
Buffalo carriage tours?
Yeah. They have villas showcased at the Rukayanana architecture and low stone walls and coral sand yards in harmony with tradition. So you can do water buffalo carriage tours, Sabini boat sails, and canoeing through nearby mangrove tunnels. Are we doing? Yeah, mangroves kind of smell. Yeah, that kind of stuff.
Miami.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the mangrove tunnel because that means that you're surrounded by smell.
It's like roots that are not in the ground, so they stay.
And then they're in the water, and it's not hygienic.
Okay.
So that's that. So I think, are you down to do this Okinawan hotel?
I would like to check it out.
Yeah. All right. So why don't you hit the next one?
But I want to make sure I say it correctly.
Babe, did you see me say Japanese words?
I know, but you did so well.
Did I?
Rescio Hotel. It's in
Rescio.
This is in Tuscany. This is actually off the beaten path. So there's tons of areas of Tuscany. This little town, Perugia, is on southeast where Florence is. And these little towns are amazing. I actually had a client.
It's not Puglia.
It's not Puglia. I said Puglia. I never said Puglia.
Okay.
Her grandmother was from this town, and I called my supplier and I said, "Listen, I know you. This is in Tuscany. can my clients get to this town? And I have to give a shout out to Giuseppe. He said, yes, I got it. And they were able to do a whole different area. And they were able to go to this particular town where her grandmother grew up. And it's in Tuscany, but it's off the beaten path. So she said it was beautiful. It was stunning. So I just wanted to give a shout out to that.
Yeah, well, to talk about the medieval castle.
This hotel, it's 7 farmhouses over 3,500 acres of untamed land. Guests can ride Spanish horses, explore ancient forests, take swim dips in the lakes, or join an Italian cookery class, all amid complete seclusion and lifestyle, which is pretty amazing. So yes, how cool. It's a medieval castle that has been restored.
Yeah.
So I just, actually just today, I am doing a tour similar to this in this particular area because it's
really
area. Yes. Oh, and not only did I do it today, I have another husband and wife doing an anniversary, and this is another town that they want to go through.
Yeah. So I think a lot of people in Italy are kind of like getting away from
because when everyone thinks of Tuscany, it's like the Siena and Chianti and all of that, and there's other. Tuscany's huge.
I mean, Italy's huge. There's so many great things,
and every part of Italy is different. Look, we're going to go down a rabbit hole.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's focus because
last one.
Yeah. All right. So the Lanka Tea Trails in Hampton, Sri Lanka, located high in Sri Lanka's UNESCO-listed Central Highlands, featured 5 colonial area tea planter bungalows perched above vast rolling hills and emerald tea estates. Ideal for slow exploration, tour tea factories, hike the famous 300-kilometer Picoi Trail, and combine serene tea breaks with sea and safari adventures.
I just did a class that talked about tea, and these teas, just so you know, that are coming from this part of the world, some of them are like almost 1 million years old, these tea leaves.
That's crazy.
Branches come. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, no, and I just love the whole thing that you could mix the whole sea and safari adventure thing. I think that's pretty interesting. So, and you're secluded. Again, secluded. So there you have it, the top 5 secluded places where if you hate
you are secluded.
Where you hate humans, you could enjoy the world.